Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna be taking you through the coding processes, the computer languages, that is HTML, JavaScript, Python, CSS, Bootstrap, and all of that. But today we are going to look on HTML, and under HTML we are going to observe on HTML tags. Now you will have to open your Visual Studio Code, and right there in the files, click on open folder. Then you'll have to create a new folder. Maybe I name it as class 2. After that, you click on select folder. As you can see, it has opened our folder that is class 2, and you'll have to close that welcome and drag your mouse besides that class 2 where you have a new file. You click on it, then maybe we create a new file that is index.html. Then you press enter. Now after pressing enter, we'll have to use HTML5. We will rename our document maybe from documents to home class maybe. Then inside our body, we will now start with our tags. The first tag, that is the heading, and it has a tag that is H, that is H1, H2, H3, H4 up to H6, while H6 is the smallest one and H1 is the bigger one, right? Now we will type our tag, the first tag, that is H1, and inside our H1 let's type this is heading. Our first tag is heading, that is H1 up to H6. Now do the same thing. H2, this is heading. H3, this is heading. H4, this is heading up to H6. Now after we are finished, we will have to view this HTML page using our browser. That is, I usually use the Edge browser. Now the first thing, we will click on run so that you can view how it looks like. First thing, you'll have to click Ctrl plus save, that is saving, and for you to type a note, you click Ctrl plus question mark so that you can type a note. Maybe that note that I've typed up there, Ctrl plus S saving, I used Ctrl plus question mark. Then inside that note I typed Ctrl plus S, that is saving. Now you will have to click start debugging under run, and let's see how it looks like in our browser. As you can see, it is saying unable to launch browser, like that. Maybe we'll debug anyway. Still unable. Now you just click run and debug. Run without debugging. Now here we have our headings, H1 up to H6. There it is. That one is H6, then H5, then H4, then the next one you have H3, then H2, then lastly H1. Now we will have to go back to our browser, and under those notes we will type the second tag, that is the paragraph. Just click Ctrl plus question mark. The second one you will type a paragraph, and under the paragraph we use tag P. That is while inserting a paragraph, we use the P tag. Now you will type P, then you press enter, then inside the P you will type lorem, then you press enter. Then let's click Ctrl plus save and let's view. There it is. There is our paragraph. There it is. Now you will go back and I'll show you the last tag, that is the break, which is BR. Break tag, and in the break tag we use the BR tag. Now whenever you are using the BR element, anything following it starts from the next line. Take note of that. Now we will use the P tag first, then we type inside there the quick brown fox jumped over lazy dogs. Then you'll have to click Ctrl plus S plus save. Now let's view it when it has no BR tag. Let me note something down there. The BR tag has a space between the characters BR and the forward slash. That's less than BR space slash greater than. Now we are going to do some stylings on the alignment of the first headings, and in front of H1 just click on space, then type their style, then on clicking enter it will display height with it. Now we will have to type their alignment. Text align, then we click on center. Now let's view it, refresh. There we have, this is heading, it is aligned at the center. Now you will have to do the same thing to the second heading up to the sixth heading. Just type style, text align, center. maybe we style our h4 to text align right, our h2 to text align left, and click on Ctrl plus save s, that is save. Then we refresh. Now there we have h1, which is centered, h2 it is on the left side, h3 it's in the center, h4 is on the right side, 5 and 6 it's in the center. Now we will also style our paragraph, and we'll type their style, then I'll text align. Not really text align. We will now style some font size, the size of the font. Maybe we use 50 pixels, that is px. Now that was our lesson for today. Our lesson for today was teaching you on the basic HTML tags, that is the p tag, the break tag, and the heading tag. Now from the next video I will show you how to now create many pages and link each one of them, and we will also do more and more stylings